Gardening brings joy and peace, until pests arrive. One day, your roses are perfect, the next, aphids swarm the stems. Beans that were thriving now have holes from hidden caterpillars. It's a constant fight. Hours of care can be undone overnight. We want to protect our plants, but the options can be overwhelming. Garden center shelves are lined with sprays and powders promising quick fixes. Chemical solutions seem tempting, but they come with hidden costs. This struggle is part of every gardener's journey. It teaches us to be observant, checking under leaves, spotting trouble early. Our gardens are more than just plants. They're home to insects, birds, and countless creatures. The real challenge is protecting our plants without harming this delicate world. With knowledge and care, we can meet this challenge. Vigilance and smart choices are our best tools. Every gardener faces this battle, but we don't have to fight dirty. There's a better way to keep our gardens healthy and thriving. Let's explore how to defend our plants while nurturing the life around them. The solution isn't just about fighting pests, it's about balance. By working with nature, we can win the battle in our beds. It's time to rethink how we protect what we've grown. The answer starts with understanding the true cost of our choices. Let's dig deeper into what those choices mean for our gardens. The journey to a healthier garden begins now. Are you ready to fight smarter, not harder? Chemical pesticides promise quick results, but at what cost? They don't just kill pests, they wipe out beneficial insects too. Ladybirds and lacewings, natural pest controllers, are collateral damage. Bees, essential for pollination, are also at risk. The balance of our garden's ecosystem is disrupted. Chemicals seep into the soil, harming vital organisms below the surface. Weak soil leads to weaker plants, which attract even more pests. This creates a vicious cycle. More chemicals, more problems. Wildlife like birds and hedgehogs can be poisoned by eating contaminated insects. Even our families and pets are exposed to these residues. Do we want chemicals on the food we eat or where our children play? The hidden cost is high, affecting our gardens, wildlife, and ourselves. It's time to break the cycle. There's a better, safer way to protect our plants. By choosing natural solutions, we safeguard the health of our gardens and everything that lives in them. Let's look for methods that work with nature, not against it. The future of our gardens depends on the choices we make today. We can protect our plants without sacrificing the world around them. It's time to rethink pest control. Let's discover a more sustainable path forward. The answer is closer than you think. Let's find it together. There's a better way, nature's way. We don't need harsh chemicals to protect our plants. Everyday kitchen ingredients can become powerful natural pest sprays. These homemade solutions are safe for beneficial insects, wildlife, and our families. They work in harmony with the garden's ecosystem, not against it. By avoiding chemicals, we allow helpful insects to thrive and keep pests in check. A healthy, balanced garden is more resilient to pests and disease. Making your own spray is simple, satisfying, and cost-effective. You control what goes into your garden. No hidden chemicals. This approach connects us to traditional time-tested methods. It's a smart, sustainable way to garden. With a few simple ingredients, you can protect your plants and nurture your garden's natural balance. Let's embrace solutions that are good for the earth and everything living in it. The tools for a healthier garden are already in your home. It's time to put nature's own armory to work. Ready to make your own natural pest spray? Let's see how it's done. The journey starts in your kitchen. My search for a natural pest spray began with curiosity and old gardening wisdom. I learned from experienced gardeners and traditional remedies, many using simple kitchen ingredients. Garlic's strong smell and chili's heat both deter insects. Mixing them with water created a basic spray, but it needed to stick to leaves. That's where pure soap came in, acting as a wetting agent and mild insecticide. Soap breaks down the outer layer of soft-bodied pests, dehydrating them. After experimenting, I found the perfect blend: garlic, chili, and soap in water. Each ingredient plays a role. Garlic and chili repel. Soap helps the spray stick and attack pests directly. The combination is more effective than any single ingredient. The solution wasn't in a store, it was in my kitchen cupboard. This discovery changed how I gardened. It's simple, safe, and surprisingly powerful. Anyone can make it with what they have at home. No need for expensive, harmful chemicals. The best solutions are often the simplest. Let's break down these humble ingredients and see how they work together. You'll be amazed at what you can create from everyday items. Nature's answers are closer than you think. Let's take a closer look at what goes into this spray. The recipe is easier than you might imagine. Here's how to make your own natural pest spray. Gather 1 bulb of garlic, 6 hot chilies or a tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon pure liquid soap, and 2 liters of water. Roughly chop the garlic and chilies, no need to peel the garlic. Wear gloves to protect your skin from the chili oils. Blend the garlic and chilies with half a liter of water until pulpy. Pour the mixture into a large jar or bucket, add the rest of the water, and stir. Cover and let it steep for at least 24 hours to infuse the compounds. Strain the liquid through fine muslin or cheesecloth to remove solids. Add 1 tablespoon of pure liquid soap and stir gently. Pour into a clean spray bottle and label it. Your homemade spray is ready to use, safe, effective, and all natural. Spray your plants thoroughly, covering all surfaces. Use regularly for best results. This simple recipe gives you control over what goes on your plants. No chemicals, no worries, just a healthy, thriving garden. Making your own spray is empowering and rewarding. You'll notice the difference in your plants and your peace of mind. Protect your garden the natural way. It's easy, affordable, and sustainable. Try it and see the results for yourself. Your garden will flourish. When you spray matters as much as what you spray. Apply early morning or late evening, never in strong midday sun. Sun can evaporate the spray or scorch leaves. Reapply every 5 to 7 days, or every 3 days for heavy infestations. Always spray after rain, as it washes the mixture away. Be thorough. Cover tops and undersides of leaves, stems, and joints. Pests hide in hard-to-reach spots, so don't miss them. Act at the first sign of trouble for best results. Regular inspection helps you catch problems early. A small infestation is easier to control than a large one. Consistency and vigilance are key. With the right timing and technique, your spray will be most effective. Protect your plants by staying 1 step ahead. Natural sprays are just one part of a bigger picture. The healthiest gardens use a holistic approach. Attract beneficial insects by planting flowers like marigolds, cosmos, and dill. Try companion planting. Herbs like rosemary and basil confuse pests. Marigolds among tomatoes deter soil nematodes. Keep your garden tidy. Remove old plant debris and weeds to reduce pest hiding spots. Build healthy soil with compost or well-rotted manure. Strong plants resist pests better than weak ones. Combine these methods for a resilient, thriving garden. Work with nature, not against it. Every small step makes a difference. Your garden will reward you with health and abundance. A holistic approach is the true secret to success. Embracing natural pest control is a mindset shift. It's about working with nature, not fighting it. Without chemicals, you'll see more bees, birds, and butterflies. Your soil will be richer, your plants stronger, and your food safer. There's deep satisfaction in growing food that's good for you and the planet. This journey teaches patience, observation, and connection to the earth. Making your own spray is just the beginning. Explore composting, wildlife habitats, and more natural methods. Every small step restores balance in your garden. Together, we can spark a green revolution, one garden at a time. The future is in our hands. Let's nurture our gardens and our world. Join me next time as we dive into the wonders of composting.